In recent weeks, Cardano ADA has seen a spike in price, partly due to its upcoming upgrade, the Vassal Hard Fork, which aims to make the network more scalable. While the upgrade was recently delayed past its late July release date, many investors are excited about its potential to improve the network. However, there seems to be another factor in Cardano that boasts of a level of superiority to Ethereum already. What is it? Well, be sure to continue watching this video to find out. And as always, stay tuned to the end to not miss out on a thing. Cardano ADA has long been considered the biggest competitor of the Ethereum network. The network's proponents say it would be superior to Ethereum in almost every way, but it's still a far cry from the second largest cryptocurrency. Notwithstanding, optimistic crypto experts think Cardano will eventually be the Ethereum killer, positioned as the second cryptocurrency despite the huge price difference between it and Ethereum. If the past is any indication, the crypto world is generally uncertain, and one cannot overlook ADA's steady and quiet growth. They are both networks which offer developers the privilege to build a large number of different types of applications on the blockchain. The real competition will not be based on the similarities, but on the special balls each blockchain has to play. It is true that Ethereum and Cardano are similar in many ways, but which is the stronger investment? There are so many factors to take in consideration. Ethereum's greatest strength is its sheer size. It is the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, with a market cap of about $200 billion compared to Cardano. Being the most popular network for non-fungible token marketplaces, decentralized finance application, and metaverse projects, Ethereum is the clear leader in this space. The greatest hurdle Ethereum is currently facing is its slow transaction times. The network can only handle 15 transactions per second, thereby giving up on transaction costs. As a result, developers and users would have no other choice but to resort to faster blockchains like Cardano. With a perspective on the surface, Cardano may not seem as strong as Ethereum. However, its slow but steady strategy could set it up for long-term growth. One of the basic differences between Cardano and other cryptocurrencies is that it has a 5-year stage roadmap that outlines its progression. It also has a peer-reviewed system when making changes to the network, and all of its technology is based on peer-reviewed research. However, it sure seems like there is another big news about Cardano. It is important to note that the market cap of a cryptocurrency is not everything you need to know about it. Considering the market cap, one should also pay close attention to factors such as transaction volumes, number of holders, number of projects, and more. Now, the more about Cardano is what we're going to be talking about today. Cardano might have some functions that are not yet directly available to Ethereum users. The staking yield is one of the few risk-free tools for creating a passive income in blockchain-related projects, as Cardano offers to make about 11% annually from staking ADA, and some Cardano community members believe that implementing it to the DEX should be the next priority for developers. Implementing these functions to a Cardano-based decentralized exchange and decentralized finance would be a huge bonus to the network. The platform would just be a massive step towards the project's future. The implementation of a risk-free tool, just like the staking yield, would also attract more users from other chains to Cardano and carve out the image of the ecosystem in the right way. On the other hand, other protocols, including Ethereum, might not be privileged to implement the same functions on their platform due to non-liquid stacking and other technical limitations. And to get a similar experience on the second biggest network in the market, users would need to use a third-party solution, even decentralized ones. Also, with the volatile nature of Ethereum, some users risk losing their money because of the usage of widespread Ethereum peg tokens that claim to have a 1-to-1 exchange rate with Ethereum but fail to maintain it due to lack of liquidity. Generally, decentralization at the core of all the benefits that can be drawn from blockchain technology. Almost every app that is built on a blockchain platform today boasts of the fact that it is decentralized. It's not a surprise that crypto exchanges also want to get on the bandwagon, and many are on path to launching their own decentralized exchange, where there is no middleman, just traders swapping tokens with each other. With Cardano's strategy, DEXs can offer a lot of advantages to the network. SundaySwap is the first decentralized finance exchange on the Cardano blockchain. SundaySwap will launch a fully functional beta decentralized exchange. The project's developers confirmed in a blog post. The team added that projects will be allowed to create trading pools for their tokens. SundaySwap, like other decentralized exchanges, use smart contracts to match token trades between users and distributes a portion of trading fees back to the investors who provide liquidity to the platform. It is an undeniable fact that the top DEXs built on other blockchains are some of the most valuable products in the crypto market. Ethereum-based Uniswap has a market cap of about $7.7 billion, while Binance Smart Chain-based PancakeSwap has a market cap of about $3.2 billion. But this does not mean that Cardano's DEXs cannot outperform them overnight. In the cryptocurrency market, like any other market, there is always things we consider hidden gems. These can be protocols, projects, or blockchains that are often regarded as the next Uniswap or the next Ethereum. One of them, of course, is Cardano. The blockchain found by Charles Hoskinson is on everyone's hidden gems radar. When SundaySwap was launched, the sign of the hidden gem was revealed. The underscoring of the hidden gems approach is the gem part. For Cardano, what is expected to give the blockchain a gem-like status is that DEXs are coming to the blockchain with risk-free tools. DEXs are one of the most frequently used protocols in a blockchain ecosystem. On Ethereum, its DEXs account for 4 on top of 10 protocols by TVL. DEXs were the main triggers to DeFi Summer in 2020. This was the period when DEXs rallied. The DeFi Summer carried on for nearly 6 months till mid-2021, when NFTs and decentralized autonomous organizations rose in popularity. Cardano certainly had its DEX moments with the launch of SundaySwap. Although the value of SundaySwap and other protocols might look hidden, the value for Cardano is not. It is out there for the world to see. Furthermore, Ethereum's merge is aiming to solve all the existing problems of the network. Ethereum has been slowly transitioning from a proof-of-work mining protocol to a proof-of-stake. Once this upgrade is finally completed, the network could potentially process up to 100,000 transactions per second. While Ethereum's upcoming upgrade is an exciting move for the network, no one knows whether it'll be rocky or not. It could have issues with the rollout and potentially result in major volatility. But on the brighter side, Cardano aims to avoid these types of problems, which may propel stable growth. The downside to this approach, though, is it takes longer for Cardano to make changes in the crypto world. In the cryptosphere, where everything moves at a breakneck pace, even the peer review process could put Cardano at a disadvantage. Both blockchains are similar in many ways, but they have distinct differences. Which one is right for you heavily depends on your risk tolerance and your personal preference. While all cryptocurrencies are risky investments at this point, Ethereum is generally seen as a safer bet. It is significantly larger and more widely used than Cardano, which gives it an advantage in that aspect. Ethereum is also more established, while Cardano is relatively new, and still solidifying its fundamentals. But what about the risk-free tools about to be implemented on Cardano's DEXs? Unfortunately, the variety of new functions, the high development activity, and the numerous benefits cannot assist Cardano ADA to perform better in the market, as the coin is still failing to exit the sharp downturn it entered back in 2021. The Cardano blockchain will need more thriving areas to potentially place it above Ethereum, and it looks set to get them in the long term. At this point, nothing is set in stone as all of crypto is still very speculative right now. Cardano's methodical approach could help it see more sustainable growth over time, especially if Ethereum's experienced issues with its shift to a proof-of-stake protocol. Cryptocurrency is not a sum-zero game either. Both Ethereum and Cardano can succeed by carving out their special niches within the sector, but it's up to you to decide which is best. So, what are your thoughts? Be sure to let us know in the comment section below, and make sure you drop a thumbs up that this video deserves. And if you don't want to miss out on future important updates, then be sure to click on the subscribe and notification bell so that you can be notified immediately whenever we upload a video on ADA News. Until then, you can watch our other videos on how ADA got here, and we'll see you in the next video.